Okay. Okay, I'm going to record a meeting and take the attendance list. Okay, so say present or something when I say your name. Okay, so let me see. So Luis.
Velasco, I
Yes,
hear.
yes. Okay, excellent. Thank you. William Josue. Ariel Moises. Diana Campos. Diego Garcia.
I'm here.
Excellent, thank you. Wilman Ariel. Jefferson Javier.
Here.
Thank you. Álvaro Antonio. Saúl.
Present.
Excellent, thank you. Carolina. Dubán. Ronald. Emerson. Brian. Otoniel. Adonai.
Buenas noches, teacher.
Hey. Good evening. Francisco. No. And let me see. Diego. Sorry, Rodrigo.
Yes, I'm here.
Excellent, thank you. So we're going to start our class. Please let me know if you can see my screen, right? Just give me a sec. Here we go. Can you?
Yes. Yes.
Excellent, thank you. So the question is easy. Where would you like to be right now? Be honest, not in the class. Be honest, please. Let me see. Saúl, where would you like to be right now?
En los planes de render.
Oh, en el plan de rendero. Why?
For the climate.
Climate? The climate? I will type that. Climate or
Yes.
weather. Both are okay. Okay. What else? Because of the pupusas or what? Or just the weather?
Only weather. See the.
Okay, excellent. Adonai, where would you like to be right now?
Another country. For example, Canada.
In
Uh,
what?
in
In which
Canada,
country? Oh,
yes, in
okay.
Canada, yes. And I can job and living in this country. For example, Vancouver.
Okay. I have heard that if you go to that country, you are or you will be just in a short or small piece of land, I would say, because there is a line in which you cannot cross because of the weather and there is no job. I don't know
Uh,
if that is true.
to me, I like the snow.
Ah, okay.
Yes, I living in Russia. I was living in Russia, and
Really?
yes, I miss the snow.
My goodness. So you had the opportunity to see and enjoy the the winter, right?
The mother Ruth.
Oh, that's
I
very nice.
I was walk in this forest and this city. Is other style to life.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
Okay, that's something interesting. So you don't want to return to or come back to Russia. You want to go to Canada.
yes, yes. I want to live in Canada.
Okay, excellent. That's something interesting. Let me see. Francisco Villalobos, can you talk? Or are you in a meeting?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, yes, you can talk.
Yes.
Or what?
Yes, I can talk. Yes.
Okay, so the same question. Where would you like to be right now?
Where I think right now in the United States, specific in Washington D.C.
Okay,
Because
to
in
meet the
that part,
president.
yes, because in that part of this country, I can visit my family
Oh, okay.
and meet meet a lot of people
Your
uh,
friends.
interesting. No, teacher. Yes, and this country are very they have a very beautiful girls, beautiful women, and they also uh, this part of country have a beautiful landscape,
Okay.
and for me that's all, teacher.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. Rodrigo, where would
Okay.
you like to go or be right now? It could be a country in the, I mean, in the same
Uh,
country or,
in Switzerland
okay. Why? Why do you like to
because I
go?
lived in Switzerland
Really?
around 5 years.
My goodness, you have traveled a lot. And I just met Guatemala and I spent 3 days there. My goodness, you are so vagos.
So yes, I speak French.
Oh, you speak French.
Yes,
Wow, that is something interesting. So you have to teach us French, okay?
How do you say bago in,
yes.
in English?
What?
How do you say bago in English?
Agua.
Bago.
I don't
How,
know. I will search it because I don't know. I think it is a very Salvadorian word. So I will try to find an answer for that. Give me a second. I will investigate.
something like harmless.
No, because homeless is a person that
Yeah, yeah.
doesn't
Yeah, I know.
doesn't have um it could be mm, I don't know, maybe it's Laker because lazy is a
Yeah,
person
yeah.
that don't want to
Mhm.
do anything. But I think
It makes sense.
we don't have a translation, a direct translation because it's a very Salvadorian word. But I will investigate. Okay.
In Honduras, we say vago también.
Ah, okay, okay. So it's a Central American word.
Mhm.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. Jeff, are you there, Jefferson?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, the next question. Or do you want to answer the last one?
No, it's okay.
Okay. If you could be another person, who would you like to be?
Mm, I would like to be, I don't know, William Levy.
Why? Because his
As
hands are
he's
handsome
handsome
or
and
what?
has a lot of money. Just for that.
Okay, excellent. Diego, if you could be another person, Diego, who would you like to be? Are you there?
Yes.
Like El Bicho, Cristiano Ronaldo, something like that.
Yeah. Well, I would like to be a soccer player, a famous soccer player.
Okay, excellent. Because of the money or because of I mean to play?
Because I like to play soccer,
Okay,
and
and you can
and I
yes,
and
continue.
I would like to travel around the world.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ariel,
Yes.
if you could be another person, who would you like to be?
I was thinking about Valentino Rossi
Who?
because Valentino Rossi is an Italian motorcycle driver.
Ah, okay, okay. My goodness, you really like or love motorcycles,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, you're right. That's the
Okay.
reason because the people buy him for do ride motorcycles and do racers.
Yes, I think
Mhm.
this is interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So thank you guys for your answers. So now I ask this because we're going to talk about would, okay? Would and could. But first, let's talk about would. Let me see. Adonai, help me read, please.
Would, would, would is used to offer. Would you like to go to the cinema tomorrow? Request. Would you tell Harry that I love him? Wishes. I would like to go with you.
Teacher, I can hear you.
Oh my goodness, I so I think I was just in my mind that I mute myself. Okay, thank you. We use it for offers, which is an example could be, would Adonai, would you like to go to the cinema tomorrow with me? This is an invitation. Okay.
Yes, that is an invitation.
Hmm. This is an offer or an invitation, which is the same. Luis Velasco, could you give me another example of an offering?
Okay, request. Would you tell Harry that I love him?
Okay,
you hear me?
yes, can you give me an example of an offer? Like this, would you like to go to the cinema tomorrow? An invitation, an example of an invitation.
Example. Sorry.
Don't worry.
Uh, would you like to go a taco tomorrow?
Okay, excellent. This is an invitation. You are offering something. So we use would for offering things. Jose Emerson, can you give me an example of a request? A request is a favor, to ask for a favor. Will you tell Saul that Marisela love him? This is an example. It's a request. Ask for a favor. So, Jose Emerson, can you talk?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you give me an example of a request or a favor?
A request. Mm, Estoy confundido un poco, pero
Okay,
bull es podrías, ¿verdad?
yes, basically. It's the ending of the word. Dría o oría, like lloraría, comería, podría.
Teacher.
But for, yes,
I would can, podría. No?
in this example, we use could.
Cool. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. And would you buy other shirt for me?
Excellent. This is a request to ask for a favor. And also we use it for wishes. You know what's the meaning of wishes, Francisco?
Sorry, teacher, could you repeat the question, please?
Do you know the meaning of wish?
Deseo.
So can you give me an example? This is my example. I would like to go with you to a cinema. So give me an example, you.
For the wishes, I would like to visit my grandmother.
Excellent. This is a wish. So we use would for what, Jefferson?
For offer, requests, and wishes.
Excellent. Thank you. Rodrigo, help me read the formula or the structure, which is the same.
Subject plus would plus verb base form plus complement.
With examples, please.
I would like to drink whiskey. Francisco would buy that pair of shoes. Diana would take a shower after exercise. I would take a nap tomorrow.
Excellent, thank you. So this is basically like a wish. I would like to drink whiskey. I mean, that's not my wish, but it's an example, okay? I would like to drink whiskey, or I would like to drink vodka, or I would like to drink water. So we use subject plus would, the verb and the base form, And if you want, complement. Can you give me another example, Adonai?
I would like to hold your hand for the rest of life.
That's a very good example. Okay. So,
Okay.
thank you. Let's check the negative formula. Let's see, Diego.
Okay, would formula negative. Subject plus would plus not plus verb base form plus complement. For example, I would not like to drink whiskey. Francisco will not buy that pair of shoes. Diana would not take a shower after exercise. I would not like to go to the dentist.
Thank you. Okay, so which is the difference between the positive and negative? Luis? Are you there, Luis?
Sorry, repeat, please.
Which is the difference between the positive formula and the negative formula?
Is not
Excellent, thank you.
after verb.
Yes, as simple as that.
Okay.
We use not. We add not after would. Can you give me an example, Ariel?
An example using would not.
Would not, the negative.
Maybe I would not go with you to the cinema.
Okay, excellent.
It's weird, but I don't have another idea right now.
Don't worry, it's okay. The thing is that you understand the formula. So, thank you, very good job. Luis Velasco, could you give me another example of the negative formula?
Okay. She will not eat pupusas.
Okay, repeat, please.
She will not eat pupusas.
Okay, excellent. So she doesn't want, right? Very good job. Now let's study, Rodrigo, the question formula.
Would plus subject plus verb plus complement plus I don't know. It's a sign.
Is the question mark? Question mark.
Yes. Example. Would you like to drink whiskey? Would Adonai call Saul? Would William bring me a cup of chocolate? Would I take a nap tomorrow?
Okay, excellent. So would Adonai call Saul? That's a very interesting question. So what is the difference between positive, negative, and the question formula? Which is the difference between positive and negative and question?
The position of would.
Excellent. We switch the subject and would. Excellent. So, do you have any doubt about this? Remember, we use for offer, for request, and wishes. Do you have any doubt? Yes, Joe?
It's clear.
Okay, excellent. So, let me see, we are going to stop here. And we are going to, give me a second. I will open, because if not, you will be boring here. So we are going to play, and then we continue, okay? So this is your practice. Those are situations, a lot of words, I know, but this is your situation and you have to give a possible solution. You go to the next one, go to the next one, go to the next one. You have to talk in pairs about this and give a possible solution. Do you have any doubt about your activity? No? Okay, excellent. I will create.
I don't get it. Still, I don't get it.
Okay. Thank you.
The solution about the card says, or what exactly?
You have to give a solution about this. This is like a situation or a problem.
Okay.
For example, this one says you have two really important objects: your laptop, which has all the information about your life and many important files, for yearly, which was your great grandmother's gift for you and the next generation. And it is so expensive, but it has an important meaning. Have it. And you give a solution. Then you continue with this.
Now I got it.
Then with this. Okay. You can, I think, sorry. You can take the link for you to practice, open it, and let me know if you have problems to study. Okay. So I will share it in the chat. Okay. Open it, please. And in the meanwhile, I am going to create a breakout rooms.
Teacher, open the link.
You can or you can't. You can or you can't.
We can, I mean.
Oh, okay, excellent. So give me a second. I am creating the breakout rooms and then you can go. Okay, just give me a second. I have to mute myself. Okay, guys, go and join your breakout room, and one of you will be a group of 3. So go, please.
Yes. Yes, I understand. Uh,
I think that I give up about maybe the it's very hard to make a choice about the important object about the my grandmother gift maybe. What about you?
uh, to uh,
You got what the card says? You understand what the card says?
the next card.
Oh, guys, if you want, please try to present to share your screen because I think this will be easier.
Ah, okay, okay.
If you
Yeah.
can, please.
Let me see. Can you hear me?
It has an important meaning. Um, uh, you can decide between the two objects, and it's very hard
Oh, okay, okay.
because in the laptop you have important information about your life.
Yes, I think in that case, I prefer, I prefer.
Mhm. In my case, I would like to resuscitate, let's say, Mac Miller, that is a famous rapper that passed away like 4 years ago, and he was one of my favorite rappers, and I think him. What
Uh,
about you?
mm, I would like to, if I had the opportunity, mm, uh, Michael Jackson. I like the music that he.
Oh, okay. Yes, I like his music too. What's my heart?
Your profession.
In my case, I would like to stay here with my family, my my pet, everything. I wouldn't like to visit other countries without someone who is meaningful for me.
And you, Rodrigo?
Would to be I don't know, the cartoon for Johnny Dex.
Okay.
I, I will be in Bendies, venting, and
Okay, next. Uh, if you have to choose a country to live forever, what will it be? Uh, I will it be live in Uruguay.
This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, guys. So I heard that you talked a lot. Just remember, if a question has would, you try to use would in the answer. Like, yes, I wouldn't. Yes, I would. No, I wouldn't. Like this example. So you have to use the structure of the question. Okay. So just that, I heard a lot of very good uses of the topic. So we're going to continue. Give me a second. Okay, let's continue with could. Let me see. Luis Velasco, help me read. Could.
Okay, cool. Is used to permission. Mom, could you let me go to park? Suggestion. I could help you carrying your bag if you want.
Okay, thank you. Permission. This is the pronunciation. Permission.
Permission.
Yes, and suggestion.
What?
Suggestion. Suggestion.
Suggestion. Okay.
Like
Okay.
T, but sh. Suggestion.
Suggestion. Okay.
I will type it in the chat. I will try to put it in the. Suggest. Like that. Suggestion.
Suggest.
So thank you. Okay. We use could for permission. Like, Mom, could you let me go to the park? Oh, yes, you could. Or no, you couldn't. This is for asking permission or to give a permission. And suggestions. You could add or change the title of your poem, or you could watch this movie. This is a suggestion. Or like that. I could help you carry your bags if you want. Can you give me another example? Let me see, Diego. Of a permission.
Okay. Could you say me? Could you say me? I don't know.
Teacher, you are on mute.
Don't hear you.
Thank you. For example, a permission is someone that you say to your or ask for your boss, your mom, your dad, I don't know, your granny, or
Your teacher.
yes, your teacher. Teacher, could you let me go out the meeting or something like that? This is an example. So give me your example.
Could you share your screen?
Excellent.
Okay.
This is a good example. Very good job. This is a permission. If I want, I will do it. If not, no. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Emerson, give me an example of a suggestion.
Suggestion. Okay. Eh, I don't have idea. Eh,
Maybe about an essay or a renovation of a house or a work, a job. I don't know, something like that.
well, I could repair your car.
Okay, this is a good suggestion. You are polite if you give suggestions or if you make suggestions. I could help you to repair your car. It's okay.
Okay.
Teacher, I think your microphone is off again.
Sorry, I am avoiding the noise and I forget to unmute myself. Thank you, thank you. So I was mentioned that the could formula, it's almost equal to would formula. So help me read, Diego. Sorry, Rodrigo.
Subject plus could plus verb plus complement.
Examples?
I could help you with your homework. Emerson could teach English. Brian could dance with Dana if he wants. I could bring board games to the party.
Excellent, thank you. So you say this are like the same of would. Subject plus could plus verb plus the complement. Can you give me another example, Francisco?
Sorry, teacher. For
Great.
what
Positive.
example?
I mean, an example for could in positive.
Oh, okay. Brian could play soccer with his sister.
Excellent, very good job. Thank you, Francisco. So you see, we use subject plus could. Brian could play soccer with his sister. Very good job. The negative formula, Adonai?
Cold formula negative. Subject could not verb base form complement. I could not help you with your homework. Emerson could not teach English. Brian could not dance with Dana even if he wants. I could not bring board game to the party.
Excellent, thank you. Negative, this is the pronunciation. Negative.
Negative.
Excellent, thank you. So which is the difference, guys, between positive and negative? Jefferson? The difference between positive and negative structure.
We add the word not
After what?
after could.
We are always going to do the same. We add could, we add not after could. Can you give me an example, Ariel?
I could not recommend you a movie because I don't watch TV.
Okay, that's a very good example, Ariel. It's really, you don't watch TV.
Yeah, it's my real life.
Okay. Don't worry, it's okay. It happened to me. It happens to me a lot. I don't watch TV, so it's okay. Thank you, Ariel. Okay, so the last formula is the question. Saul, help me read, please.
Call formula question. Call plus subject plus verb plus complement plus question mark.
Yes.
Call I help you with your homework. Call Emerson teach English. Call Brian dance with Dana. Call she bring board game to the party.
Okay, thank you. So you see, which is the difference, Luis, between questions and positive and negative formula?
Is the position the code?
We switch. Remember it. Yes. Did you say something? No? Okay. So we always switch. If we have here the could after the verb, now we use it before the verb. And we add the question mark. Can you give me an example, Diego?
Could you help me with my English homework? Teacher?
Excellent. It's real. It's really.
Yes.
It's a real. Okay, I will help you after.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So this is basically our topic. Now we are going to practice. We practice for wishes, offer, and request. And now we are going to practice with could. Give me a second. So let's practice. Okay, this is a roulette wheel. And you spin it. Could you tell us about a good friend of yours? And you continue. You give the answer and you continue. You can eliminate it and continue, or just like that. Could you tell us about the last time you ate ice cream? And you continue. You say, yes, I could, or no, I couldn't, and give the answer. Do you have any doubt? And it will be in pairs again, because I think in pairs you practice more. Do you have any doubt?
Everything clear.
Excellent. So I'm going to share the link with you. And please, guys, if you can share your screen, because it's easier if you are seeing what you're answering. So the link is in the chat. Try to open it and please let me know if you can.
Yes, it works.
Excellent. So give me a second. Okay, go. join your breakout room, please. Rodrigo, join your breakout room, please. Rodrigo, are you there?
Okay,
Next.
the other next for you. What you usually have for breakfast?
Oh, my favorite breakfast is pizza, and my preferred is the Pizza Hut.
Do you eat
Okay.
pizza for breakfast?
Hello, teacher.
So,
Yes.
Hello, my goodness. I am scared about it.
no, in my breakfast es el desayuno, correct?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Oh no,
Pupusa.
in my breakfast, my favorite it is pupusas the all days.
Oh, okay, okay. It makes sense for me. So, yes, because pizza, my goodness. Okay, continue.
Okay. It's okay. It's your time, right?
Something you want to learn.
I want to learn, I think, Excel, but advanced Excel, and learn or improve my English to a fluency.
Yes, Excel is important. Me too want to learn.
Yes, but we try.
You did before class. Could you tell us, Rodrigo?
Yes, I could tell us. After class, I eat and I read a book and I watch the film in Netflix.
Okay, the next one. Nice. Um, what you are doing? What you're doing? Fuck, ya me confundí. What you are going to the next weekend? Could you tell us, Diego?
I think uh, I think I study programming. I will study programming, and I will study English too.
Nice. The next one is mine. Let's see.
In the next weekend, I visited my brother because my my best friend, uh, she visit to my brother, and I will go too.
Okay.
What
In my,
is your answer? What you
oh,
are going to the next weekend?
I think I'm going to visit the beach with my family, but I'm not sure about it. That's
Uh,
all.
okay,
Yes.
go the next question.
How you wake up every day, every morning? Could you tell us about how you wake up every morning?
I awoke in the morning to the 6 a.m. and after I take a coffee cup.
Okay. In my
Yes.
case, I usually wake up at 4:30, and I drive to the university, and then I have my breakfast there, and just that. Okay, next one.
Next, the next question.
Could you tell us 3 things you did before class?
The
Uh, I think I will working in the in the something job about the programming.
Yes, I I think lo mismo.
I
Okay,
did this thing. Okay.
next.
Hello, Luis.
Hello.
Did you practice a lot?
Well, sorry.
Did you practice a lot?
Yes, I practiced that.
Okay, excellent. So, those in the chat, I will type the, yes, in the chat. I will write the mistakes that I heard.
Hello, we're back.
And let me see. Okay. Okay, I think you can see it, right? In the chat. Yes, right?
I think the same.
Okay,
I
so
think the same.
which is the past form for eat?
8. 8.
Mhm. 8. So be careful with it, because if you are talking in past, you have to use the verbs in past. Okay?
Yes.
So be careful about it. I also heard visit the Coatepeque Lake. It's okay?
It's okay.
Yes, are you sure? I mean, you do you visit him? and like talk with the Coatepeque Lake and spend time with the Coatepeque Lake? Yes or no?
I think is visited. No.
No, visited is the past. When we go to any place,
Yeah, yeah. It's like we went. You went. Oh, we were.
But not in the past, even in Spain, in the base form, we say go to the Coatepeque Lake. No
Okay.
visit,
Okay.
because you visit family, friends, I don't know, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, and so on. You cannot visit a lake because the lake is not alive. They want the Coatepeque Lake won't answer your questions, and so on. So you cannot say visit. You say go to the Coatepeque Lake. And the way to say I think lo mismo is I think the same. Okay.
Okay. It's for you, Lee.
Excellent. So this is all for the class, guys. I am going to stop